Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a shipment that was found at Jamaica's Wharf. It said the contents are supposed to be heading to the United States. It is said, this is all alleged information actually, because we haven't had anything put out there from a credible source. We just see the clippings and stuff on social media circulating. So it said that the contents of this container were supposed to be headed to the United States. So somebody, millions and millions of dollars worth of cocaine, drugs, was found. I'm sure they're going to launch an investigation, but that's neither here nor there. People are saying that somebody snitched. Some people are saying it's just bad luck and the whole coronavirus situation. What are your thoughts? Honestly, when I see stuff like this, it really makes me mad, because we have a very big drug issue and we have a very big violence issue in Jamaica, and the whole gun for drug trade thing is very real, and it's very sad that this is how we are going down in the history books. Basically, we're killing off each other and we're selling drugs to people. Like, that's crazy to me. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do you think somebody actually snitched? Do you think it was just coincidence that them find this big shipment here? Do you think that the wharfs in Jamaica need to be checked rigorously for guns coming in and drugs going out? What are your thoughts on this whole situation? Give suggestions in the comment section on how you think that situations like these should be handled. Do you think that the US need to take over the investigation, since the shipment was supposedly, allegedly, to be sent to the US? Do you think that the Jamaica Constabulary Force should take the investigation over to see who was sending this package from Jamaica, who inspected this package, because somebody had to know something. How much coke there in this one package a Wharf, and it didn't cause any red flags and nobody didn't say anything? What are your thoughts? Do you think people at the wharf should be held accountable? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.